Hey, it's Robert again. I want to share a story with you today about an educated guy who once went to Zen teacher to inquire about Zen. And as the Zen teacher explained, the educated guy would frequently interrupt him with remarks like, "Oh yes, we have that too," and comments like that. And finally, after some time of this, the Zen teacher stopped talking and began to serve tea to this educated guy. He poured the cup full and he kept pouring until the cup overflowed. "Enough," the educated guy once more interrupted. "Can't you see? No more tea can go into the cup." "Indeed, I see," answered the Zen teacher. "If you don't first empty the cup, how can you taste my cup of tea?" Many people think they are teachable, but only in practice they should show their true teachability index. So, if you're truly serious about your success, be teachable, empty your cup, and find a coach and a mentor that has that which you wish to have, be, or do. Learn like you know nothing already, and find a model that already works, as many wise people have done before. Ciao for now.